quick rundown of our API context project. You can see here we have our routes for both our gets, our post, our put, and our delete. They are calling my contacts.js, which is getting its database information from the data.js. Environment variables, we've got the port number set up. We have a URL for the Mongo database, and we are also using the database name in the environment variable as well. Git ignore, we're ignoring obviously our environment variables and our node modules. And we also have ESLint and Swagger installed for documentation. So if I have a look, let's not do that. Let's switch across to Swagger. So you can see here, okay, we actually do need the first name, last name, and email. So let's pop those back in. Contact updated successfully, and let's just let's rerun the ID. Just make sure that's actually updated. And yep, that's changed to Christopher. Okay, next one to try out is create. So we will go Sally guest @gmail.com. Favorite color is yellow, and birthday is the 12th of the 12th. There we go. Execute that. And that's responded okay. We've got a 201. You can see here 201 is created. So if we go up to get all now, let's just re-execute that. And there's Sally Guest sitting there. So I'll copy that ID. Going to come down to delete. Contact deleted successfully. And we will re-execute that. And Sally is now gone. So those are all working perfectly. Now we can also do the same via Thunder client here. So we'll run these straight on our server. Alright, I'll send there. Let's make this a little bit bigger. And you can see there that returns our whole set. Now we can change this to update, and we're going to update the record for Christopher. And we're going to keep that so it changes it back to Chris. We're also adding in the initials there. Contact updated successfully. Oh, actually, sorry, we're on localhost here. We don't want to be on localhost. All right, so that's done a get all. We've got Chris P.L. Mills. Let's just try that update again. And we're going to take the initials back off there. Oh, I'm sorry, don't need the body in there. And we'll do a get all. Updated successfully. Let's just make sure that has. There we go. So that's removed the initials. And then we'll try a put, which is going to be our create URL. We'll recreate Sally again. Our favourite colour is yellow. And her birth date was 2012, 12, 12. (201) created. Let's run a quick get. There we go, there's Sally. And then we will also delete contact deleted successfully. We'll run another get all. And Sally's gone. So you can see here I've also got two Chris's. So we'll delete Chris as well while there. Keep things nice and tidy. Chris, Sandy, Lana, Tristan. All right, that's nice and clean. Okay, so in our files, we also have our .rest file. Just contains an outline of what our API is looking for. Useful for documentation purposes. And that is hopefully everything covered. So that is, as you can see from the request there, they are calling our CSE site that's hosted on Render. And our Swagger documentation is also live and working. All right, thank you very much. See you next week.